Looking for a 3D printer that's insanely fast, beginner-friendly, and powerful enough for serious projects? The FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M is one of those machines that changes how you think about desktop 3D printing. Right away, speed is the headline feature. This printer pushes up to 600 millimeters per second with high acceleration, which means prints that normally take hours can be done significantly faster, without sacrificing quality thanks to built-in vibration compensation. Setup is where it really wins for most users. Fully automatic leveling removes one of the biggest headaches in 3D printing. You don't need to manually tweak anything. The system calibrates itself and ensures your first layer sticks properly every time. The CoreXY All-Metal Structure adds serious stability, especially at high speeds. It reduces shaking and improves precision, so your prints come out smoother and more accurate even during fast runs. Then there's the 280 degrees Celsius Direct Drive Extruder, which opens the door to a wide range of materials like PLA, PETG, TPU, and even carbon fiber blends. Combined with the quick 3-second detachable nozzle system, maintenance and upgrades are fast and hassle-free. The 220 by 220 by 220 mm build volume hits a practical sweet spot, large enough for most projects, yet compact enough to fit comfortably on a desk. And with features like filament run-out detection and power loss recovery, your prints stay safe even during interruptions. Of course, it's not perfect. It's an open frame design, so it's not as quiet or enclosed as premium models, and advanced users might want more software control, but for most people, the ease of use outweighs those trade-offs. Overall, this is a high-speed, low-hassle 3D printer that balances performance, reliability, and simplicity, perfect for beginners stepping up and even experienced users who want fast, consistent results. Click the link below for the best price.